Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to compare Black Friday prices on Amazon versus Walmart. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to compare Black Friday prices among Amazon and Walmart, first what you can do is use pricing tracking tools. Using price history tools is the best way to see whether a deal is really a deal or just a temporary markup. For Amazon, what you can do is head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Keepa.com, and Keepa shows detailed historical price graphs for Amazon items including Amazon itself, third party, new or used, etc. You can also use Camel, which is very user friendly. You can paste in the Amazon URL into its site, heading over to your browser and pasting the URL which it uses to check right from the Amazon product page. Then next for the Walmart is simply using search bar and typing in WallTrack.com, and here WallTrack, a free tracker specifically for Walmart, shows historical prices and lets you set alerts. You can also use Seller Grid Walmart Price History extension, which lets you see Walmart's supplement price history directly on the products page. And what you need to do now is monitor both stores in parallel, click the exact product like say model specs on the both Amazon and Walmart, and use the ASIN on Amazon or SKU or UPC to make sure you're comparing identical items. Add the product to your Amazon wishlist or cart or Walmart watch list, and use the price tracking alerts from Keepa or WallTrack to monitor both stores. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.